This is the Helpful Lockpicker here. The video I have for you today is a challenge lock made by Chevyracerx. This was sent out to me by JohnnyJiuJitsu. The challenge lock is called My Ex-Wife. The first thing I found when trying to open this lock is it's challenging because the top of the keyway tension, if I try to use a 50 thousandths, it's just way too small and it's very loose. So what I had to do was I ended up making my own custom one, which is almost 80 thousandths. It's 0.79, and it seems to work pretty well. I've opened this lock once off camera and it's put up a pretty good fight so far, and I'm going to see what it takes to get into. It uses a KW10 Keyway, and here's the key. It says good luck on the front and then ex-wife on the back. So I'm going to use my 79 thousandths top of the keyway tension and a standard hook in 25 thousandths and see what it takes to open her up. Alright, let's see what it takes to get inside. Nothing on one. Nothing on two. Couple off of three, couple clicks. Nothing really on four. Couple of clicks off of five. Couple clicks off of six. Okay, I got a little bit of a false set. Let's see if there's anyone willing to give us counter rotation. I haven't touched two really, and that gave a little rotation, but didn't seem to open us. Let's see what else we have. Seems like I lost the false set a little bit. Nice set two. Okay. Then on six, I just got a couple clicks on five a second ago. Okay, more clicks off of five. Okay, got a miniature false set, so one still feels pretty good. Two seems alright. Three. 4, 5, 6. Well, let's drop something, and we are, I believe, open. Perfect. Alright guys, now let's get this gutted open. This was about my third or fourth attempt. This lock's done a pretty good job at keeping me out so far. So Chevyracerx, very good job. This was a quick set that has put up the most fight I've had for a quick set, and this is my first 6-pin quick set that I've ever worked on. So it's pretty good. Here's the key, still mummied up, and it's the KW10 Keyway. So let me get this lock gutted for you guys and we'll take a closer look at it. I'm just going to zoom out a tad. Now try to adjust everything so it's within view easily. Alright, so I'm going to first get the circlip off the back. I'm going to use my little pickle fork here and hope I don't lock the cylinder back up. Okay, that is off. And this is close up is ex-wife. And let's get the plug out and see what the story is. Serrated on one. Little serrated on two. Then serrated on three. Standard on four. Serrated on five. Standard on six. Now for driver pins. Standard on one. Spool off of two. Spool off of three. Commercial serrated on four. Spool on five. Commercial serrated off six. And I believe all the springs should just be regular springs, nothing too special. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, when you look at the plug, 2, 4, 6 are serrated. If you can see that in the video or not. And then in the Bible here, 2 and 6 look like those have been drilled as well. Not sure if you're going to be able to see it or not. And we will get you a close-up of the pinning right now. So you can see 1, 2, 3, and 5 are all kind of serrated. And then on the driver pins, 1's a standard, 2's a spool, 3's a spool, 4 is a commercial serrated, 5 is a spool, 6 is a commercial serrated, and all the springs are pretty standard. Well, thank you guys for checking out this video, and thank you Chevyracerx for making this challenge lock. It's been a lot of fun. And JohnnyJiuJitsu, thank you for sending this my way. If you guys enjoyed this video and like to see more like it, please subscribe. If you'd like to see me make any videos and you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. As always, I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much for checking it out.